You hear birds singing. You hear all that. The birds are singing to God. They are praising to Him every morning. They're singing to Him. They are giving respect to Him. See, they are offering their praise by singing what God created them to be, to serve Him. Not just humans, but animals. All animals as well. See, the birds, they praise God every morning. And in some case, some birds, they praise to God all night. I heard birds uh, about half block away, nearby where I live, was singing all night to God. All night. It was midnight through like 2, 3 a.m. The birds, they were singing. I don't know how many, but there were few that were still singing at night. I couldn't believe it. I was surprised. See, they don't have to sing only in the morning. They can sing anytime too, during the day, even at night. God is calling us to pray, that we need to do the same. We humans, we need to pray to Him every morning, praise to Him every morning, and give thanks to Him for what He provides us. This is about praising God, thanking God. See, the birds, they thank Him because God feeds them. God provides them food so that the birds, they stay alive. They are provided for. And He does the same to us. We just gotta cling to Him and rely on Him. Then He will provide us. He will provide us more. He will assure you. He will take care of you. All right.